Hey girl with the big foot. Hey, listen what me said. No. Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey, go up on the bed. Oh. Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah. Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah. Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Dad, you know someone buy a girl a bullet for her Christmas.
What kind of girl she got?
No, dad, not them type of bullet. They don't know the bullet them, but the girl them put on the clit. Yeah, that's my dear dad.
Dear dad?
Nah, you know, we just there tell Kiss Cause someone buy a girl a bullet for Christmas.
That man need them thing them on you. That one is what I'm going to get. I'm going to get cripple, brother.
What a lie I tell you.
I said the girl could want to get fan.
Why you take out the lies on my youth?
You want to call her?
Call her right now.
You want to call her?
I better say no call her. Chesh!
Oh, go on.
Hey.
What do you want to do? Wicked.
What are you talking about? You didn't do shit. What? What are you saying?
I must have tell some back there.
Yeah, you made me come with your tongue.
Yo, stop.
I'm not playing. I'm not writing jokes. You didn't beat it up. You eat it up. What are you talking about?
Yo, when I
I don't care. I don't care. You eat it.
You just this man, you the something, you annoy me. You over this one, you breathe, you in here, you exhale, and you do a bag of something over this, you know. And you know what? Leave. Leave. Leave out. Leave.
You sure I'm leave?
Leave, you just leave.
Alright.
Jay.
Hey, come on, leave.
Leave, because you want to go for a long time. Exhale, like I say. Anyway. Boy, that stress me.
What miss it? Call it. Hello, Jay. Yeah?
Yeah.
What's up with you?
Hey, you want to tell me, babes?
Some advice me. So come back next time.
I'm mad in the dog. Oh, God.
Who will play music in my house? Yo, I was pussy that in my house.
Amira, why are you here?
Dad, what the fuck you doing in my house, dad?
I'm a key.
Where you get key from?
I'm listening to one.
Dad, what the fuck? Where? My youth. You are there cook salt and fucking water, dad. I cooking that, dad. Come out of my fucking house, dad.
Dad, I'm there cook, man. I don't cook my left, man. Because I know why you're here, so you tell me, say, my house or your house, right? That's how I'm there, my youth, dad.
My youth, come out of my house. My youth, you come like Skellyan, dad.
What do you mean, you're Skellyan?
What do you mean? Because you're always there all the time, dad. Dad, come out of my fucking house, dad. Dad, me see, come out. Yo, come out of my house, my youth. Yo, come out of my house, my youth. You know, so come out. Yo, I'm done. Good? Dad, come out of my house. Hey, boxes like a thing, I can't be like, come out. Stop.
Can I cook on?
Mike, come out of my house. Yo, what is it? Dirty brief, boy.
Damn, I'm a victim. Fuck my tax time now, my youth.
So that's for you, not
I'm not a pick dog. I never pick him, but I fight tax for you. I'm going to kill my son, my broke dog. I be a joker and I breed again.
My man single dog.
Like a little song?
Yeah, brother. I feel like I Ashley, my youth dog. My dog pussy come like Bob Marley and the wheelers, brother.
That's supposed to mean that?
Dog a pussy ever the pan tour, rude boy.
I got my last girlfriend. Yeah. I got a pussy coming like whirling. So I fuck for everybody, my youth. I got a witchy dog. She had to get my youth.
My watch your ice.
Away cleanly, Bolt has got a very good start indeed. Flies past along to Edward on the outside of him. Is that an excellent bend? Sean Crawford going well out in lane 8 as well. But it's all about Usain Bolt. 2 metres clear, 3 metres clear, 5 metres clear.
How are them there?
Yo, brother, what are you for?
And you tell me say it's the ice.
No, which ice you think you're talking about?
I never get you talk about.
No, ice on the ground.
I never sweat. You never get you talk about.
I want to know, brother, man.
My is a chump. And
It's spin.
hey, my man's coming. Hey, what's up, baby?
Yo, not today, no. Not today, no, brother. He's up for the baby boy.
You serious right now, but you dead?
If I sit there, just say, my man's calling me right now, bro. Yeah, man, I call you. What's up, baby boy? Oh shit, you trying to push that shit in? It's not going in. Yo, how big is that shit? 9 inches? Oh, that shit's bigger than mine. My shit just went right through, you remember? We just pushed that shit in and it went right through. Then, here what you do, man. Use some double D40, man. Grease that shit up and push that shit in. And push it in and make it wet, bro. Like massage it, bro. Yeah, and then just force it. Like, push everything in. No, yo. That's not what, brother. I'm trying to lure argument at my youth. Bro, my nigga put in his microwave. Microwave, if you got alkaline, bro. Alkaline, what the? Chill for what? It's outside one. That's shot. You're not in Jamaica no more. Yeah, I live in Jamaica, Queens, bro. You can't be this technical, bro. I can't even know how to go. KT, not cooking. Where are you going? Now I make chop the coat, man. Can't take this anymore. Can't take it anymore.
Man, can I get up on myself? You have anything you want to tell me? I mean, I never did beer yesterday, but beer today for that you want to know me know the bars and kind of cheesy, but is that what I say?
Who name side chick?
Side chick? Listen, you know what I'm saying? Stop it to my phone. Stop it to my phone.
Listen, don't lie to me. Like I ask you again. Who name side chick?
Buy the name side chick.
Alright, no. Now call her, bitch here. Now call her. Please, just give me my phone. Don't call nobody from my phone. Now beg you to do. More FaceTime, I come watch how she look. More see like I look at. Any see her when I have a fight. Any see her.
After day, seems like I
Can't explain. Stop now, calm down. Calm down. It was a bet, and at the time,
Why you can't bang back allow me?
my son tell you.
You can't wait. You have to write out somebody dead?
No, I can't wait. Leave to the right.
As who you have to say?
Sure. But you know my Errol?
And your cousin?
He's not really my cousin.
You your cousin, what then?
I'm a side man.
So, you want Errol fuck?
Me and fuck. What side man? The side man a fuck.
Yo.
Let's want to be honest with you. Let's want to be.
It's like you be honest with me. I gotta be honest with you too.
I'm Patricia, your cousin, right? The brown girl, your cousin.
I'm a cousin either, you know. And I'm a cousin.
Girl, side girl, me and her fuck a couple months now. One thing. Remember the day when you come and catch her? I fuck what you done fuck on. But you know, I'm glad I can't look past Errol and you can't look past Patricia because you don't know. I just triple push up there and Errol really my cousin. I'm anti-son. April Fools. Man, them things that I talk about today, you know. You're too much fuck that joke, man. See that now? Girl, come watch ya. If you never run them joke with me, I'm going to tell you some fuck Trisha and everybody would have come, but I still have fuck her and...
they just keep
Don't
lying
buy
now.
What name side chick?
What is a side chick?
Side chick? You're really back with this side chick thing again? She? Who name side chick?
Who name is side chick?
Man, no more side chick. So wait there. I read, I can't read.
You can't read
Say
yet.
side chick, but I don't know who this. Look at what? Who name side chick? You know what? Give me the phone. See the phone, yeah?
No, wait a minute.
No, never call her, girl. Call her. Call her. You're to the phone for call her. No, never call her.
You don't need to be that petty.
No, I'm never call her.
You are not that person.
No, I'm that person. What about me? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm that person. Bitch, I'm gonna call.
What is she for?
You didn't hear that?
Hear what?
You didn't phone ring?
Hear what?
Come on. My girl, I went him. I call you for.
Who? Him?
It's been
Yes, I check.
What's that?
I get side chick. Them money the day and my youth. Alone fish and bread for the ends and that's my youth. Alone wine. I tell you dog. Who was that show you? When I decide for them. Yo, what you do?
I'm doing a duff cut.
What you doing on the cut?
My Jesus body gone, dog.
It
empty, man.
It's empty. It ain't nobody dog. And nobody will bury him.
What? It gone, dog. I don't know.
Jesus Christ. No, I'm gonna call my name Vinny. That me and me so you would have say come sell out, man.
Me?
Look at silver and gold, man.
I sell you out for silver and gold.
My father see you. You come and talk about me.
John, I never did that. Ask him, no ask John. Me? I never did that with your brother. I can't swear for you. You see, you stay.
John, you know, because John sell me out too, you know.
See me sell you out?
When you forgot my father can see everything.
That's not
Oh, nah, straight to my you. Look how much time I do the fish and bread dog and you love drink over this on you. Be one and you drink from you. So mine don't find when near one boat, you know. You don't find when near one boat, so not cheat to that. You see me if I want to just strike somebody in your dog.
Jesus, take time,
Just to drink from the phone here. I'm sure both me see next time you see you know. It's a mad thing, yeah. That talk the father about I must see you right now.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Camille Clark. Peace.